Today we're creating this Y2K style LCD screen effect in After Effects. Let's jump right in. Create a new composition. Next, create a text layer and center it in the composition. Add the inner glow layer style. Create a simple size animation for the inner glow. Create a new shape layer and rename it Background. Create a new adjustment layer. Apply the threshold effect to it. Set the level value as shown on the screen. Add the mosaic effect. Next, add the CC toner effect and set the colors approximately like this. Then add the grid effect with the following parameter values. After that, add the posterize time effect and set the frame rate to 10 frames per second. Next, add the CC lens effect to create this slightly curved screen look. You can also add a phone panel mockup. Finally, add another adjustment layer. Add the glow effect and set the parameters like this. Next, add the Gaussian blur effect and the unsharp mask effect. Now let's go back to the previous adjustment layer and change CC toner from tritone to duotone. You can also apply this effect to video footage or photos.
Do you want to elevate your video editing game? Find all you need on Easy Edit Stock. Templates, text effects, presets. Discover a world of versatile assets for your next video.
If we add the noise effect before threshold, we can control the halftones like this. Done.